What is it, Muppet Face? Huh? What is it? Oh, yeah. Cookie. What is it, Cookie? Oh. What is it, Cookie? Hmm? Yes. Yes, Cookie. Does that feel better? Hmm? Yes, Salem. Yes, Salem. Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh. Yeah? Okay. This is a... Yes. I know, Cookie. I understand. Day in the life of the crazy cat. Here's Pumpkin. Oh, look at that. That's nice. Sam has his arm around Cookie saying, "It's okay, Cookie. You don't have to scream all the time." That's very nice, Salem. That's a very good big brother of you. Goodbye, everybody.